Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
This video will be containing special questions that are being asked in different entrance exams. Let's see first question here. The first question is here: limit x tends to e log x minus 1 divide x minus e, and we have to find the value of this. Options are here 1 and then 0, e, 1 by e. This question was asked in 2072 in agriculture. So TU exam, what will be the solution? So first see the process. For this type of problem we can do, this question can be solved in different ways. So see here, first what we can do, it takes 0 by 0 form. Okay, if you put x equals e, so log e is 1, 1 minus 1, and then again here e minus e, so it will be taking here 0 by 0 form. So what we can do here, if it takes 0 by 0 form, so different methods can be used. So first method, see here the process, and then I will be sharing the trick also. So what you can do here, put x minus e equals y. Then x tends to e means, see here, put x equals e, so y tends to 0. So now what we can write here, now you can write here limit x tends to e means y tends to 0, and then log x means it will be how much here, see from here x equals how much, e plus y, so we can put here value log x means e plus y, and now also we know 1 means log e, so whole divide x minus a is y, so y is here. Also we can write here limit y tends to 0, so it is here log a minus log b means it is simply here log a plus b and then by, so x, the formula is here, you can use this formula. I'm just writing here log a minus log b, it is simply log a by b, you can write like this. So same thing I'm using here, so it will be here by e and whole by y. So now if you simplify this, you will be getting here, check here, it is simply limit y tends to 0, and then how much is here, log 1 plus y by e, and then see here y is here, so just to balance this right here by y by e into e. So now this whole is 1, so 1 by e is your answer. From this we got here 1 by e, so answer is this D. So this is your correct answer. So let's see here next method to solve the same problem. What can be done here, same problem I'm solving by different method, so the same answer you will get here. You may use here, see here, it is in the form 0 by 0 form, so we can use L hospital rule. What is L hospital rule? So it means derivative of numerator, you can write here derivative of numerator, and then do the derivative of denominator, derivative of denominator. This is the actually here, and then same we can proceed in this way until we get the answer. 0 by 0 form is use L hospital rule. Now let's use this. So what we are getting here, so in this case by L hospital rule we can write here limit x tends to e, derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of 1 means 0, here derivative of x is 1, derivative of e is 0, so what we got here, limit x tends to e, and now here 1 by x, so put here x equals e, so you'll be getting here 1 by e. That's your answer. Same thing we got. This is second method. So let's see here second question. Second question is here, just I'm copying here question number 2. The question is here, just I'm writing here question. The question is here limit x tends to 0, tan 2x minus x by 3x minus sin x and options are here 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. This question was being asked in 2073 AG and in TU exam. See, this is the information. So we have to solve this. Let's see the solution. Okay. Again here you can see the question number 2 here. So it takes here 0 by 0 form, because this is tan 0 means 0, 0 again 0 minus 0, so 0 minus 0, 0 again here 0 minus 0, it is here 0 by 0 form. It takes 0 by 0 form. So again, as I told you, we can use both method, either L hospital rule or other method. So let's see the answer. First one, I'm going to solve this by first method, that is x tends to 0. What I'm going to do here, divide both numerator and denominator by x. So we can write here tan 2x by x minus x by x, then 3x by x minus sin x by x. So what do we get here? We know here limit, this is how much, so simply we can write here 2 here and 2 to balance this, and this is going to give 1. So we can write here limit, here x tends to 0, 2 into 1, this is 1 minus 1, and then here 3, this cancelled, so we got here 3 minus, again this is 1, so how much we got here? So 2 minus 1 means 1, and then here 3 minus 1 is 2, so answer will be here 1 by 2. So our answer is this 1 by 2 is your correct answer. Okay, this is first method. Again we can use the second method that I discussed in first problem, that is L hospital rule also we can use. So let's see here second method. Second method also we can use here, second method by L hospital rule, by L hospital rule we can write here as I discussed in problem first. So we can write here derivative of this means it is 2 sec square 2x minus 1 by 3 derivative of x is 1 minus sin x means cos x. Now let's put the value of x. See here how much we are getting here. So how much will be there? 2 into cos x 2x means here cos 2x is here, cos 0 means this is 1 minus 1, and then here simply just putting the value of 0, value of x as 0, 3 minus 1. It is again here 2 minus 1 means 1, 1 by 2. Same answer we got here. So this is second question. Let's move to third question. So question number 3. Again I'm taking next question that was being asked in exam. So the question is here, question number 3. It is simply here limit x tends to infinity 3x square minus 4 by 4x square, and options are here. The options are here 3 by 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and does not exist, none answer is also there. And then this question was being asked in TU again AG 2074. So this is the third question. Let's see the solution. Okay, again you can see here it takes here infinity by infinity form. By putting the value of x we can see here easily infinity by infinity form. So hope you remember the rule for this infinity by infinity form. What do we do? First see the process, then I will be solving this by trick. So what in this case we take the highest power common from numerator, so x square and denominator. So it is x square is common, so 3 minus 4 by x square by process, and then here 4x square. So 4x square and x square cancel. So now if you put the value of x, so 3 minus 4 by infinity square, and it is 4. So something by infinity we know that here 1 by infinity means 0. So we can write here this is 3 minus 0 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. So this is our answer. You can tick here. The correct answer is this. Now let's see the trick. For this type of problem we can write answer in one line within second. So always the answer will be here. Just simply the trick is here. Trick by trick means, see here, the highest power is here in numerator x square, highest degree term is 3x square, so simply write here 3, and then what is the highest degree term here, 4x square, so simply this 3 by 4 will be your answer. Directly you can write the answer. So third method is also there. You can again use L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule also we can solve this. This is third L'Hospital rule, third method I am sharing here. So you do again derivative. So derivative by derivative, what we will get here, x tends to infinity, 3 into 2x, derivative of x square is, this is minus 0, derivative of constant is 0, so it is here 4 into 2x. So how much we got here? So it will be simply, now answer is here 6x by 8x, so x and x cancel, we again will get here 3 by 4. By different methods we are getting the same answer. So this is third question. Let's move to next question. Again I'm taking here one more question, number 4. The fourth question is like this. So we can write here, the fourth question is simple, it is very simple. Again here, limit n tends to infinity and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 up to n, and whole divide n square. The options are here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. Ordinary exam 2073. Okay, let's see the correct answer. What is the correct answer for this? Fourth question is this. So now, okay, so in this type of problem what we do here, first I will be sharing a solution for this by process. So simply we can use the formula for numerator. So its formula is simply n into n plus 1 by 2, and there is n square, so n this and then cancel. So what we got here, limit n tends to infinity, so it is simply here 1 by 2 n plus 1 by n. So we can simplify this further, so we'll be getting here limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n, and if we put here it is 1 by 2 as it is, so infinity as 0, so it will be here 1 by infinity means 1 plus 1 by infinity times 1 by 2, and simply it is here 1 by 2. That's your answer. So this first one is correct answer, 1 by 2 is our correct answer. So for this type of problem, please see the trick. Just you can write the answer within seconds. So always see the highest degree here. Highest degree, always here, degree will be here, in numerator degree will be 1, and degree will be here just more than this, 1, so 2, 2 then 3, 3 then 4. So in that type of problem, always answer will be whatever is here. This 1 by this degree, you just put here 2 is your correct answer. So just take here one more example. Limit, suppose the question is like this, n tends to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot 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 n square, and suppose here as I told you this condition is being set. So answer for this type of question will be always here 1 by 3, you can write direct answer. Remember always this difference of this degree 2 and 3 means always will be here 2 then 3, 3 then 4 and 5 then 6, like this question. Always you can write here always like this. Within second you can write the answer. Okay, so one more question I'm taking here. So let's see here next question. Question number 5. So fifth question I'm taking, and then we'll be discussing about next one. So fifth question is simply here 3 limit here. Fifth question is here. Okay, so the fifth question is again for veterinary. So question is here, we can solve this question. Okay, limit, question is x tends to 0 and 3 minus x, again 3 plus x, and the whole power is 1 by x. The options are here e power 2 by 3, e power minus 2 by 3, the last one is e power 1 by 3. And this question was asked in AFU AG and 2072. 2070. So this question was asked. Now let's see the solution. Okay, so for this type of question, so what we can see here, simply let's see the solution. For this you write like this, you solve this in this way. So we can take here 3 common, because one we have formula like this. So 1 plus x power 1 by x, if we limit x tends to 0, that means 1 power infinity, so it is simply e. This is the concept we are going to use. So in this form we are going to change this. So what can be done here, let's take 3 common. So 3 common from numerator, so 1 minus x by 3 will be there, and then in denominator will be again here 3 common, so 1 plus x by 3, and the whole is again 1 by x, isn't it? So 3 and 3 cancelled here. So what we can do here, you can check. So it goes in formula like this here, 1 plus minus 1 by 3 into x whole power 1 by x, and limit here as x tends to 0. So it is 1 plus 1 by 3 times x whole power 1 by x. So by formula that I discussed here, so we can simply write here e power minus 1 by 3 in numerator, in denominator it will be here e power 1 by 3, and that gives here e power minus 2 by 3. That's our answer. This is our answer. Okay, so this is the solution for this type of question, and I hope you are understanding this. In this way we can solve the different types of problems that are being asked in different entrance exams. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let's continue the problem solving that we are discussing about how to solve the problems that are being asked in different entrance exams, and from chapter limit. So now for this, we are continuing our previous video. So already we have solved 5 questions. So if you have not watched my video, so please go through my videos and that previous videos, and so you can see the 5 questions. Now let's see the 6th question. The question is like here, limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 2 power x, 4 power x minus 3 power x. So what's its answer? So this question was asked in 2071 TU AG exams. So different options are there. So to solve this problem, simply we have to use this. So hope you remember this. Limit x tends to 0, and then a power x minus 1 by x means it is simply here log a. The formula is simply log a. This is the condition we are going to use, and so by extending this we can further write here, if you remember this, it will be easy for you. Simply it can be, let's see the see, for this you can write here, suppose it is here x, a power x minus b power x by x. So simply you can write here log a minus log b. This is the special case of first one, so just I'm going to use this. Okay, so what we can do here, so simply just use this so to get answer. So simply we can write here limit x tends to 0, and so for this simply we can write here log 3 minus log 2, and for this here, so simply for denominator also we can write here log 4 minus log 3. That's answer. So what is our answer? So this one which matches with, I think here, so log 3, or it matches with here, it should be log 3. I think option is here incorrect, so log 3, and so this is our number C is our correct answer. Okay, so you can write here simply answer for this. So next question I'm taking for you. So next question is here, question number 7. So let's see, the question is here limit x tends to 1, and then x power k minus 1 by x minus 1, and then the options are here 0 or minus k, and then 0 by 0, so here it is none. Answer is next one is option is here none. So what is our answer? Simply it's very easy. So we can see here limit x tends to 1, and for this x power k, so we can write here 1 power k also, and x minus 1. So it goes in formula like this. Hope you remember this. So this question was from TU and Agriculture 2071. So you can see here this very tricky questions are being asked, not difficult questions but tricky questions are being asked. So you have to use the formula like this. So limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. The formula is very simple here, n a power n minus 1. This is the formula I'm going to use. This is what we have to use. So okay, so in this case we will be getting here k and 1 power k minus 1 according to this formula. So answer will be how much? So simply it is here k. So our answer will be k. So this is next one problem, 7th problem we have solved. Hope you are understanding, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share among your friends if you like this. So now we'll move to question number 8. So please if you like this video, please like my channel, please share among your friends. And then next question I'm taking here for you, and then this was again asked in entrance exam, and it is question from TU. It was asked in TU 2068. The question is here, limit x tends to infinity and sine x by x. The options are given here 0, 1, 2 and does not exist. Okay, inserted to here D and E. Okay, so these are our options. So now let's see what is the solution for this. So let's see the solution for this. Simply, it's very tricky question, so it is conceptual also. So what we can do here, we know that value of sine x lies between minus 1 and 1, isn't it? So what we can write here, we can write the same question here. We know this is the concept we have to use. So limit x tends to infinity. For sine x we can write here a finite number between we can write here between minus 1 and 1, and then by it is here x. So now this is finite number. By x means if we write here, if we replace x by infinity, so what we will get here? In this case, by infinity means finite number by infinity means simply 0. So your answer is 0. It's just conceptual question. It's very tricky question. Hope you understood this. So now we are moving to next question. The question that was asked in entrance exam. So next question is here, question number 9. We have already discussed different questions. So next question is here for you. Please you see carefully and practice this type of questions. So next question is here, limit x tends to 0, x minus sine x by x cube. And so we have to find the value of this. Options are here 1 by 3, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, answer is 1 by 6, and then this is from TU exam 2066. Now let's see the solution for this, how we solve this type of problem. What is the correct answer for this? So simply you can see this problem. If we put x equals 0, it takes here again 0 by 0 form. So simply, as I told you, already we have discussed how to solve the problems of 0 by 0 form. So simply we can use L-Hospital rule. So by L-Hospital rule, what we will get here? By L-Hospital rule, you don't have to write this process in exam, but for understanding only I'm writing here. L-Hospital rule means numerator, derivative of numerator. So it is 1 minus sin x means cos x. And now you can see here derivative of denominator is here 3x square. Again see here limit x tends to 0. Once check here by putting x equals 0, we will get here again 0 by 0. Again it is in 0 by 0 form. So once again we'll use L-Hospital rule. So again limit x tends to 0. So derivative of 0 is derivative of 1 is 0, minus here cos x means derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so it will be here sin x by what, 6x will be there. So simply we can write here limit x tends to 0 and sin x by x times 1 by 6, so this gives 1, so our answer will be 1 by 6. That is our answer. This is your correct answer. Hope you understood this, and please share this among your friends, and please practice this type of problems to boost up your mathematics. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you are enjoying this video. Once again, we are here with some tips and tricks about mathematics. We are dealing with some entrance questions from chapter limit. Okay, so one more question is here. We have already discussed 9 questions. So now the question number 10 is here, limit x tends to infinity, 2x plus 3 by 2x plus 1 whole power is x plus 1, and options are here, 4 options. It was again it was asked in 2074 TU exams, veterinary exam. Okay, so let's see the solution for this. So for this, the trick is here, the trick I'm going to use here is, see, limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus x, 1 plus, here it will be if 1 by x, and power x is always here. See here, that means 1 power infinity is always taken as e. So this is the concept, so it will be here e. So this is the concept I'm going to use here, and this is the concept that should be used to solve this problem. So what we can do here, limit x tends to infinity, and so just separate this here. So 2x plus 1 plus 2 by 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. See here, the whole power is x plus 1. So what we can do here, this is 1, so we can write here limit x tends to infinity, so 1 plus 2 by 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 whole power is here x plus 1, so I'm writing here 2x plus 1 into, in power I'm writing here x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. So we can write like this, same thing we are getting here. So by concept of limit, what we can do here, this here, if you see carefully, so this will give here, we can write here, for this much we can write here e power 2, and for this by calculation of limit it will be here 1 by 2, so cancel, so we got here e. So answer is e for this question. Hope you understood this. So in case of this type of problem, we can, this limit works for this, and this limit also works for this separate term. So if we calculate here by shortcut method, we can write here 1 and by 2 is your answer. So 1 by 2 into 2 cancel, we got here yes. Hope you understood.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.